Hello students, so welcome back to the E-class of St. Xavier School, Adipur. Now we were doing in grammar chapter number 3, that is questions. So in first part we have done the yes or no questions and I have given you the detail of the question. And then in the second part we have done the formation of yes or no questions and then the tag questions and the exercise of that chapter 1 and 2. Now a quick revision of your last exercise. Now the revision part is, first we have done the yes or no question, which is told to be the shortest question and which answer will be always whether the yes or it will be no. In that itself the subtopic was the tag question. Tag question, the shortest question. After the sentence when we are asking a question, my dress is beautiful, is it? So that tag questions is also called the shortest question. And we have done the exercise regarding this, exercise 1 and 2 in the last video. So today we are going to do chapter number 3's part 3. In part 3 what you are going to learn? WH questions. What is a part 3? What are you going to learn? WH questions. Now this same WH question I have explained to you in the second chapter of the grammar. Yes or no? So, what is the meaning of WH questions? WH questions means the formation of questions which starts from WH words. The WH questions means the formation of the question which begins from WH words. Now, which are the WH words? Yes, what, which, why, whom, where. And in WH questions, also the question how, the word how is also included in the WH questions. Now WH questions can have large number of answers. Now in tag questions and yes or no questions, what we have learned that they always have the shortest answer. In whether it will be yes it is or no it is not. Okay, so that is the short question which we have. But in WH question, the answers of the WH question will be longer or will be bigger than the yes or no question. If I am asking you what is your name, so the whole sentence will go, my name is so and so. Where do you live? I live in so and so place. So it can be longer answers than the yes or no questions. Now I will further give you the formation of the WH words and how it is talked about and how it is spoke about, so that we will see from our textbook. So now we will continue with our WH questions, that is WH are formed with the help of the question words, that is what, which, when, where, how, why, who, whom and whose. So these are the WH words and with the help of these words we are forming our WH questions. What we are forming? Our WH questions. Now WH questions can have a large number of answers which I told you, unlike yes or no question which have possibly two answers, whether it will be yes or it will be no. WH questions are the questions which we are asking to get the more detailed answer. So obviously the WH question will be having the biggest answer or the big answers or the large answers it can have. But in yes or no question we always ask the question to only get an answer whether it is yes or no. So yes or no question, is tomorrow your birthday? Yes or no. Now WH question, what day is your birthday? So it will go with the whole sentence, my birthday is on 1st April or 23rd January, external जब भी आपका birthday हो. So we will get the detailed answer. My birthday is on so and so date, I was born in so and so month. So WH question always asks such questions which can give us more of the details. Now it is given here one box in which we have the question words, that is what, which, who, whom, whose, when, where, how and why. So these are the question words. What are they? These are the question words. Now used to ask about. Now which question word can which, whether about person, whether about thing, or whether about non-living thing, or whether about common thing. So all these words have their own role to play when they come to ask questions. Now what will always ask questions about things or ideas, not people. Okay, what will always ask the question for things and ideas, and it won't ask question for people. Which can ask either things or ideas or people. Which ऐसा word है जो animals के लिए भी हम कुछ पूछ रहे हैं या बताना चाहते हैं तो उसमें यूज हो सकता है. Even it is applicable for the human beings too. People. Who, obviously people. Whom, again it is for people. Whose, again it is for people. So this four actually, which, who, whom and whose, they are meant to ask the question for people, means living things, not animals or birds, but human beings. And which is for both. It can ask the abstract things also, about the people also, and about non-living or animals or birds, about them too. When, obviously, when मतलब क्या होता है, हम जब टाइम के बारे में जानना होता है, that time we use the question when. Where we always use where means what, where are you, so and so place. So it is always asking the question for the place. How means your mannerism, how do you behave, or how one behave, or how is we feeling in that atmosphere. So always it will be related to mannerism of people, manner in which something happened or how it has happened. So it will be how. Why it is obviously reason. When we want to know about a reason why it happened or why this didn't happen, whatever it is. So whenever we want to know the reason behind the situation, we always use why. So here they have given what is for things and ideas. So what is the color of turmeric? Which is for people, things, ideas both. So which car is your mother's? Who is for people? Whom is for people? Whose is for people? So what is the question? Who was the man on the terrace? Whom did Chiku meet in the jungle? Whose is the kerchief which with a red border? So all these is related to people. कि हमको उसका जवाब एक human being के ही तरीके से आएगा. Now when will the hunters come back? Where? Place where is my headphone? So we will say so and so on the table, under the table, or inside the drawer. So we need to know about the place. How did the prisoner escape? Now we need to know about what was his behavior or what was his mannerism when he escaped from the jail. Obviously prisoner will be in the jail. So how did the prisoner escape? Now this one, why? We want the reason. The reason for something. That is, why did the police officer run away? Now we don't know what happened, so we want the reason. For that we use WH word, that is why. So you all understand what is the WH words? WH question means related to the formation of the WH words. Which are these? These are for what? Things, people, reason, where, mannerism, time, place, everything. And this is the example given to you so that you can relate to this column. Now here we go with the exercise 3. Now here it is. I will tell you how to write this exercise 3 in your notebook also. Write the questions word missing from the following questions by looking at their answers. Now here already the answers are given to you below one question. Now what we have to fill in this? We have to fill in the WH question word here. ये आंसर देख के आपको उस हिसाब से WH word वहां पे fill करना है. जैसे dash does Mrinalini's uncle stay? So we are asking for here he stays in the city. So where do तो क्या वहां पे क्या क्वेश्चन आ जाएगा? वहां पे सिटी के बारे में बोला है तो मतलब प्लेस के बारे में पूछ रहे हैं. तो प्लेस के बारे में पूछे तो यहाँ पे क्या आ जाएगा? Where. क्या आ जाएगा? Where. The same way it was Uncle Prasad. So what is now? It is about a human being. So what is the question? Dash opened the door last night when you came. So what it will be coming here? Who opened the door last night when you came back? When you came back. back. Okay. So this answers I am going to tell you now. But this is the way you only have to write this sentence or this question form of the sentence in your notebook. No need to write these answers. Okay? Because in exam also you will get the kind of blanks you are going to get. Okay? So here what you will fill, what is the type of which WH word will come. So you will look here first the answer, and in the notebook you will fill the WH word and you will write the whole of the sentence. That what you have to write in the notebook. I will give you the answer of this. Let me first explain it to you. Now here it is, write WH question to get the following answer. Now we have here statements. What we have here, the statements, the answer of the questions. But where is the question? Question we need to form. What is the exercise all about? That you need to form the question to get these answers. What we need to do? We need to form the questions to get these answers. So now we will get into the exercise. I will tell you the answers of these, the exercise number 3 and 4. Okay students, so let's do the exercise. So we'll start with exercise number 3, and I have already given you the answer, so I will read out it for you. Write the question words missing from the following question by looking at their answers. Dash does Mrinalini's uncle stay? Where? Dash opened the door last night when you came back. Who? Dash should I eat this tablet? When? How can I see this film in 3D? So how? Dash do wet clothes dry shower during the monsoon? Why? Dash is the baby kangaroo called? What? Dash toothbrush is yours? Which? Whose dash salwar kameez is she wearing? So whose? Dash did the principal invite for the building inauguration? Whom? Dash are you looking happy today? Why? So these are our questions like a fill in the blanks. Now here we are changing the whole of the question, this statement. To get this statement, we are changing the whole thing into a question form. So what it is? Write WH question to get the following answers. We have day and night because the earth rotates on its axis. So what will be the question? Why do we have day and night? Srinivasa Ramanujan was born in Erode, Tamil Nadu. So हमें क्या चाहिए? वो जगह के बारे में बता रहे, place. So when they are talking about place, which WH word will come? It is where. Where was Srinivasa Ramanujan born? A cartographer is a person who makes maps. Now here we are talking about a person. So a cartographer. So what it will come? Who is cartographer? Who is cartographer? So what is the answer? A cartographer is a person who makes maps. The fourth one is the third switch from the left is one for the fan. This is now thing. So what we will use? Which is the switch for the fan? What we will use? Which is the switch for the fan? Because which is mainly for the ideas and things, and it can also go with the people. Uma's brother's name is Suresh. What is the name of Uma's brother? Boil water, add tea leaves, sugar and milk. Your tea is ready. How can I make a tea? Now, seventh one. The man behind the tree is Detective Vikram. So, what we will say? Who is that man behind the tree? So, when we ask this question, we get that answer. The man behind the tree is Detective Vikram. Where did you see Detective Vikram? Now what is the answer there? I saw Detective Vikram behind the tree. So we will make it as a question because we want to know about the place. So if we want to know about the place, what we will write? Where? Where did you see Detective Vikram? Vikram was carrying a magnifying lens. Now it is about a thing. Now what it will come? What was Vikram dog. So Vikram is running because the dog is chasing him. Now Vikram is running. So why he is running? We want to know that. Na? So when we ask the question why is Vikram running, we will get the answer Vikram is running because the dog is chasing him. So for today class, you have learned the WH questions, that is WH words, which is formed by why, who, where, what, when, which and everything, and how is also included in it. Okay. Now WH question means what? From which we get a large answers or a big answers rather than yes or no question. So this was the topic for today, and this is the exercise you have to write it in the notebook. Okay children, so I hope you understand with the chapter, and the rest of the last topic we will continue later. So read the chapter, write it down in the notebook.